Welcome back to Australian Immigration Updates. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can be confusing for many: invitation rounds and planning levels in Australian immigration. These two concepts are crucial for understanding your visa application timeline. So let's get started. What are planning levels? Planning levels are essentially the total number of visas the Australian government intends to grant in a particular migration program for a given year, usually July 1st to June 30th. The Department of Home Affairs sets these levels based on Australia's economic needs and skill shortages. It's like a pie chart, with each visa category skilled independent, employer-sponsored, getting a specific slice. How do invitation rounds work? Imagine the planning level for a particular visa subclass is 10,000 places. The government doesn't issue all 10,000 invitations at once. Instead, they conduct invitation rounds throughout the year, inviting a smaller number of applicants to apply for a visa. This helps manage the processing workload and ensures a fair system. The connection between planning levels and invitation rounds. So how do these two things connect? Invitation rounds serve as a way to distribute the total number of visas allocated in the planning level. If a visa category has a high planning level, we can expect more frequent invitation rounds with a larger number of invitations issued. Conversely, a lower planning level might translate to fewer rounds and fewer invitations. Factors affecting invitation rounds. Several factors can influence invitation rounds, including number of applications. If there are a high number of applications for a specific visa, the government might hold invitation rounds less frequently to manage the processing queue. Processing times. If processing times for a visa category are slow, the government might pause invitations to reduce the backlog. Government priorities. The government might prioritize certain visa categories based on economic needs, leading to more frequent invitations for those visas. Where to find information on invitation rounds? The Department of Home Affairs website publishes information on invitation rounds, including the dates, the number of invitations issued, and the minimum score required for selection. You can find this information on the department's website under Visa and Citizenship for your specific visa subclass. What this means for you as an applicant. Understanding invitation rounds and planning levels helps you set realistic expectations for your visa application timeline. You can research the typical frequency of invitation rounds for your visa category and the current processing times. This can help you gauge when you might receive an invitation to apply. While invitation rounds and planning levels might seem complex, understanding them empowers you to navigate the Australian immigration process more effectively. Remember, this information is for general guidance only. It's always recommended to consult with a registered migration agent for personalized advice on your specific situation. Thanks for joining us on Australian Immigration Updates. If you have any questions about invitation rounds or planning levels, leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful insights into Australian immigration.